We'll guide you through how to make Google Calendar aesthetic. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, place your cursor in the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Calendar in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to begin searching for the service. From the search results, find and click on the official Google Calendar website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the page loads successfully, the Google Calendar dashboard will appear, showing your calendar layout and scheduled events. Next, move your cursor to the left side of the screen and hover over the section labeled My Calendars. Look carefully in that area until you find the small down arrow icon next to it. Click the down arrow icon to expand and see the list under My Calendars. After clicking it, your important calendar categories will appear in a list. These categories represent the different topics or groups of events in your calendar. To make your calendar look more aesthetic and organized, you can change the color of each topic to your favorite pastel colors for a calming visual appearance. For example, hover your cursor over the calendar topic named GuideHub. When you place your cursor over it, a three-dot icon will appear next to the calendar name. Click the three-dot icon to open the available options. In the settings that appear, click Add Custom Color, represented by a plus symbol, icon, if the color you want is not available in the default Google Calendar color palette. After selecting this option, you can either choose your favorite color from the picker or type a specific hex color code at the bottom. To find attractive color combinations, you can use color palette websites. For example, open the website coolors.co in another tab. Once the web page appears, choose a color palette that suits your taste by pressing the spacebar to change the theme. Continue pressing it until you find a palette you like. Then hover your cursor over the color you prefer and click Copy HEX. Return to the Google Calendar page and paste the copied color code into the custom color field. Make sure everything is correct and click Save. Repeat the same steps for your other calendar topics. Your Google Calendar will now look aesthetic.